Greetings to you, my family. This is Geofrey. I'm from Zambia, the own Zambia nomad. So today I'm in Guinea, and I'm at Alexandra, the Alexandra Hotel. So in this beach, so you can see how beautiful it is. You know, the place. You know, see some people. Even using the boats or canoes. They are paddling canoes. Very real. Look at this view. So there are some hotels there. You can see the hotels as well as the apartments, which I will show you later. So when you are here, don't worry about where you sleep, because there are houses and apartments just nearby and hotels, so you can either stay in the hotel or you rent apartment or a house or a room if it's 1 month. You know, if it's a room, it's about see how beautiful it is. Yeah, the room is about ranging from 130 150 pounds. So it depends the house on the apartment you choose to be in. So this is a seaside and the beach side. You can see as well as the hotels. Look at this statue. Hey, fisherman. This is interesting. Very big fish. So you can see the views. Yeah, these are some of the apartments. And while you are in this apartment, it's nearby. 2 meters you are in there. You see, and you are enjoying. So these are some of the apartments. So we are bringing the world in your doorstep. So even if you are not here, you already know what is here, things to do, where to go, what to do, what you expect, what are the expenses when you are here, so you can plan ahead, you know, so that you decide if you want to visit or not. So that's why we are here. That's why the Zambian nomad is here, you know. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, you know, so that we reach many people as possible. And for those who just watch my videos without subscribing, man, I'll take you to FBI, YouTube live. Anyway, you heard to my views, but you just have to be part of the Zambian nomad family, so that we interact. If we meet in your country, your place, you know, we share this business. We do business. That's how the world, that's how small the world is. And you know, you work together with people. So we can start from subscribing to my channel. From there we do communicate, do a lot of things together. If I visit your country, we can meet. If you visit my country, you know, there are a lot of advantages. Because if you are in my country, maybe I may host you or I recommend you where to find a cheaper apartment, or I tell my people, my family, my friends to accommodate you even if I'm not there. If you decide to visit my country, or if I decide to visit your country, so just have to, So these are some of the apartments, and I'm showing you around in case you decide to be here and spend your summer time. So this is just a hotel, Casca Court Hotel. So this is a beach. See how beautiful it is. If you want to enjoy, and this is the hotel. So, and these are some of the apartments. If you are here, it says please be quiet. This is a residential area. It says Platinis is this. Very interesting. So showing you around this place, and see the view. Very beautiful. And these are the residential areas. So when you are here, it's cheering up their father. They are fishing. And these are the residential areas. And a small restaurant there. Oh, wow, this place is very beautiful. So you can sit here watching while you are watching. If you have want to anything that you want to do, you can enjoy the beauty of the sea. I'm here in Guinea, and I'm showing you around the street as well as the apartments near the beach and the seaside. So these are some of the beautiful apartments, and see the designs and how beautiful they are, and affordable. So when you are here, you can just find one, either a room from the flat, and rent for a month. and the prices ranges from 150 going up depending on the apartments. And so this is the inside. Look at this, very beautiful apartments. So these are some of the beautiful apartments.